Today I will be showing you how to enter out-of-district PD on Frontline. So the first thing we need to do is go to Frontline. We go from Norman Public Schools homepage to login links to this lovely Frontline Professional Development. You are going to sign in with your organization. And it'll log you in. Now there are two different sides to Frontline. There's the absent management side and the professional growth side. So we're going to click professional growth. And while this is loading, out-of-district PD is anything that Norman Public Schools does not conduct themselves. So for instance, if you are going to an OEA professional development or a Oklahoma Technology Association professional development, anything that might be in a different city, that would be out of district. So this is what you have to do. So on the left hand side, you click Forms. You'll click Out of District Conference. It'll load. And you will submit. So you want the date of submission, which is today, so September 23rd. You will put the title of the conference. For me, I am going to Oklahoma Technology Association, so OTA, OTA for short. Give a brief description, so okay, once you have your description, this next button is extremely important. It asks, are title funds being used to support this professional development? If you do not know, you need to ask your principal or whoever is sending you to the professional development. Because if you hit yes, it's going to go to Rex and he has to approve it. So let's make sure we pull from the right funds. You also need to know what department you are pulling from. So just because it's professional development does not mean you're going to go down here and enter it from the professional development department. So for instance, if you're a language arts teacher and the language arts coordinator is sending you to a conference, you would put language arts. If you're math, and so forth and so on. For me, it is actually professional development, so we'll put that. Number of meetings, 1. It is on October 3rd. Cutting it close here. It's going to start at 8 a.m. You want to make sure that your start times and end times are correct. Location, Cox Communication Center. If you're not sure, say you're going to a school district, I would put the school district. These are very important. So do you need a sub? For me, I do not, but you probably will. Is it full day, AM, PM? So mine's full day. Tells you the location of your absence. So that would be your site location. Provider. Since it's out of district PD, it is actually not Norman Public Schools. It's OTA, the Oklahoma Technology Association. So we're going to go here. You need a purpose. Anything in red is required, so you want to make sure that you are doing that. I'm going to click those two. What's the need for the activity? What's the conference? I'm attending the workshop. If you're presenting, make sure that you put that you're presenting. And then here, this last one is total number of points requested. So each hour you are at the conference is an hour, 1 hour is 1 point. So, for instance, I'm there from 8 to 4, okay, and then probably about an hour lunch. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and put 7 hours. And you want to just glance back up and make sure you filled in everything. And then when you're ready, you hit submit. All right, so then it'll show you who needs to approve it. This is really important whenever it comes to subs. If you need a sub, it has to be pre-approved before they can get you a sub. So that's all there is to it. Remember, out-of-district PD includes any professional development that is not in Norman Public Schools. Not something that you would normally sign a pink sheet for. And that's it.